guys, it's Outdoors Dan. We're up here at Wall Lake, Iowa for another edition of the Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen, and I got the sauce man here with me, Mr. Speed. You know, I want to talk a little bit about brines. When even, you know, you were on the cooking show with me all the time when we did it on WHO, and we always had talk about different brining and stuff, and I know we smoked a turkey or a chicken here a little while ago, and when we get into the holiday seasons, a lot of folks want to talk about turkeys, and then also my hunting listeners out there with pheasants and upland birds. Brining is so important on a bird because it really helps it keep the moisture in.
Yeah, it infuses a lot of moisture in there, and also depending on what you use in your brine, also adds a lot of flavor to it.
Yep. Now, I like taking like a cup of coarse kosher salt to a gallon of water, and then I'll throw some Cookies flavor enhancer in there as well. And I'll even inject that a little bit into the bird now, and then I let it sit 8 to 10 hours. What do you like to do?
I probably, for most of my brines, needless to say, I get the Cookies flavor enhancer wholesale. But
You do all cookies?
I use like a cup of Cookies flavor enhancer
wow.
to a gallon of water, and then a lot of times I'll just throw like half a cup of brown sugar in with it, just to sweeten it up a little bit. And for chicken and pork, both I like that. Now, once in a while I'll inject my briskets, but very seldom. You know, there's a lot of, you know, you can shoot this in, but to me, brisket, if you want to shoot a little bit of, you know, beef broth or something like that in it, is fine.
So now, with you saying that you use your Cookies flavor enhancer instead of the coarse salt, now if we're home, can we take instead of using a cup, like half a cup of salt and then half a cup of cookies? Or
Yeah, yeah.
Is it all right to mix it like that?
Oh yeah, you can mix it like that, but I, needless to say, being they sell the flavor enhancer, I mean, I don't sell salt.
You can
Yeah.
just get it down there, so.
But, and sometimes,
Why don't you guys do Cookies brine kits?
well, you get, you know, to get like in the grocery warehouses like we're in, they've got to do so many turns or they kick you out.
I got you.
And it just, you couldn't move enough of them to make it work.
All right.
We had a wing kit out that we sell a lot of it online, but through the grocery stores we couldn't sell enough of it.
Well, that makes sense. Well, there you go. He's in the Hall of Fame, so take his word for it. Cookies flavor enhancer, mix it in with the salt, and you can't go wrong with them. And I'm telling you what, folks, if whether you're pheasant, your quail, your regular wild turkey breasts, I brine everything I can, and it totally makes a difference. And then I always have my sweet hickory Cookies barbecue sauce to dip in.
Well, now, you know, speaking of which, I've thrown our Korean sauce in and thin it down with a little rice wine vinegar or something like that.
Yeah.
Makes a good brine.
Yeah, that would be a good brine. There you go.
Great on chicken, great on turkey.
All right, cookiesbarbecue.com. You can ask him questions anytime. That's going to wrap it up for this edition of the Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen.